Haba Pynshai ya ka ga balami ki Jingkynnoh na ki MLA ka yeng dorbar thau ain ka jilla u Conrad konggal sangma menteri rangba ka sarkar jilla ulaya thu bala bun sin layat ka jingthung ya ki regional committee ka jing perkhat kam bala ju kenduru ya ki nong senshar Hima ha ki thain Khappud Henry ka Jingkynnoh ba ka sarkar kam shemle AA kam shong nong rim satya Ulo ongru bala jupen long ki jingi kendu bat ki board district council la kalong jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council lani jongka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council board nangta sai ki sang bhalang kabadang shupen long dang haka khatsan tarik uno pra ar hajar ar phau ar bala juyo pediang ru iki dor khas ki bala penpau ki bor sarkar berkumju ru dang shen shwa ka election mentau snem la penlong biang ki jingi kendu ban mir jingmun haka bai dei bat ki kam Khappud bat baro ki Jingkynnoh kim ya hap satya namar ka sarkar ka khlam ya Lait Naki.
That multiple times the regional committees have gone, multiple times they have had meetings, multiple times they have met all stakeholders, sir. And hence it would be incorrect to say that we did not have consultations. In fact, just to give an example, sir, on the 15th of December, there was a consultation with the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jaintia Hills District Council, and the traditional heads was done on the 15th of December. On the same day, we also called different civil society and NGOs to come and have a discussion with us. We called all the political parties in that day separately, all were done separately, sir. But we called all of them and we had consultation on these issues, and we received different memorandums and documents from them. Again, on the 23rd of February, we had a meeting with the NGOs and the civil society to discuss these details. Again, on the 7th of March, we had a meeting with the political parties and all party meetings were called, and we briefed them about the boundary issue and took the suggestions from them. Hence, a wide-scale consultation was done. So it would be incorrect to say that we did not consult people. We did, sir. And the records are very much there, whether it's the district councils, whether it is the traditional heads, whether it is the political parties, whether it is the civil society, or whether it is the local people. Every stakeholder was consulted. Now, if consultation means that we have to agree to all the recommendations and suggestions given by them, then that's a different story, sir. I must say that obviously we could not agree, or we could not get all the suggestions made by different stakeholders. We could not get those facts or points through. But that is the nature of these kind of discussions and solutions that we work for. We'll not be able to satisfy every single demand that is there. But as I said, in the larger interest of the people living in the border area, we realized that we had to move forward, sir. And that is why, after deep consultation with many stakeholders, which was done in many occasions, including, as I said, the visits being made by the regional committees to the ground zero and meeting people and actually discussing with them, these different stands and decisions were taken, sir.